Ugh, how hideous! Are you pretending to be a queen or something? You look so stupid!
Speak for yourself, and what are you supposed to be? At least I don't traipse around in a miniskirt like some kind of tramp.
Yeah, the only way to not get murdered is to say you both look very nice.
Thank you, darling.
Everything looks good on me.
Jeez, what's with that hairdo? It looks like a cheap wig a would wear.
Cheap wig? Excuse the fuck out of me? What about your hair? It looks like shrimp tails or something.
Oh god. I like both your hairstyles.
Thank you, Mr. Mice.
No hairstyle looks bad on me.
You're making me really mad. No amount of makeup could hide that face of yours, you old head.
Shut up! Your eyes are so big they're popping out of your head, you freak!
Yeah, I have nothing to say.
What? You've got to say something!
Oh, I can't stand you anymore!
Hey, that's my line!
Joni, ouch! Joni, ouch! Oh.